Here's another great RV from Nevada's #1 RV dealer, Johnnie Walker RV, family owned since 1963.
This is the Evo-3250.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below this screen. But the best way to view this beautiful unit is to put yourself in it. Stop by today and see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations of every RV made. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications may be different from one RV to the next. So it's important to contact a Johnnie Walker RV team member for actual details about this floor plan. While watching this video, take note of the innovative ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage and practicality. But there are many features not shown, and we also don't have the time to show all of them in this short video. You really have to come in and see this RV to fully appreciate all this Johnnie Walker RV has to offer. We are a true 4-generation, family-owned and operated business. Let our family help your family make your RV dreams become a reality. For the best deal in Nevada, come to any one of our Johnnie Walker RV locations. We are continuously adding more inventory, so be sure to subscribe and follow our YouTube channel.
No planes, no ships, no overpriced trips. Roam free in your Johnnie Walker RV.